Everyone, it's Rachel. I'm back for one more video in this look. I was playing around with makeup. I don't know if I love this look. I did kind of a, I don't know. It was like a green, pink, red thing. I don't know. I was playing around with the Kathleen Lights palette and everything. It's not as versatile of a palette as I was thinking originally, but I was able to get a fun look out of it. So I just wanted to do a video on, I bought a bunch of stuff from PUR. They were having, I saw on my subscription addiction that they had their mystery bundles, and so I was like, ooh, gotta go do that. If you have not been to my subscription addiction and you love subscription boxes, you need to get to that website. I have no affiliation with it, but that place is like the mecca of subscription boxes, of special limited boxes, of mystery bags, and they put reviews and links and coupons, and it will fuel your addiction. So this is the mystery bag. It was $20. On the picture they showed like a grayed out picture, and it showed what looked like maybe a palette, a brush, 2 lipsticks, and something else. And so this is it. Last season when this came out, the reviewers said that the box or the bag was nothing like the mystery bag picture. So I didn't have high hopes, but I figured this would be fun. I also bought another bunch of stuff in here. There was a it was like a day to night kit. Here, I have it on here. I bought the mystery bag and the day to night 6-piece makeover kit, and then I got a free sample, and I just bought a little contour sponge that was on sale. So I'll go over the day to night contour, not contour, sorry, 6-piece makeover kit. But I wanted to go over this because anyone who loves subscriptions, I thought this was a neat thing. So the first thing in there, and I was pleasantly surprised, it looks like a palette. Now I have opened these and just kind of looked at them. And kind of played with them just a little bit, but this is the first thing. And so when I first saw this, I saw it said BoxyCharm and PUR, and I was like, oh, like I just got a BoxyCharm highlighter palette. Hopefully it's not the same palette, which it's not a bad palette, but I don't need 2 highlighter palettes. Now I've only had BoxyCharm for about 2 months, so I have only gotten one thing from PUR from it. But that, luckily, is not it. And unfortunately, for folks that have had BoxyCharm for a while, you may be disappointed. So this is the eyeshadow palette. And it is bright, but it is nice. It has a mirror. And it says BoxyCharm by PUR. And it has a lot of like pinks and blues and everything. And I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this palette before. If you've been following other subscription boxes, this is new to me, like I said, because I hadn't gotten BoxyCharm in a bit. So I'm just gonna swatch out a few of these colors to show you. Ooh, that is there's a bit of fallout on some of these colors, just to give you an idea of some of the intensity or otherwise. I'm not gonna do all of them because I just don't have enough space on my arm. So this is the colors. They're pretty intense. They do have some fallout, especially the foil and shimmery, but actually it's not a bad palette, so I'm gonna have to play with this. I do like that it has more of the pinks and everything, and it has some good neutrally shades, so this is gonna be fun. For the fact that I paid $20, the first thing out of here is a nice palette. I'm pretty cool. So this is a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. So that's the first thing. The second thing that came out was the bending crease brush. So I am a big fan of brushes in all forms and fashions. So this is the brush here. I don't think it's going to show, but yeah, it's just a nice blending brush. I believe, just to kind of go back, this was like $38 on their website. I think this, when I looked it up on their website, it was like, I want to say it was normally like 15, but on sale for like 8. Granted, there's a big sale this weekend because of Memorial Day. So the next 2 things that I pulled out were lipsticks. So they are staying true to their their picture. So this is the Velvet Matte Rouge, what color is this? Fever. So this is the Velvet Matte liquid lipstick. Now I'm not going to open this because this is red. And I am not a bright red fan, even though I have red hair. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to pull this color off. Let me know in the comments if you think I can. I may hold this aside for a giveaway later, or give it to someone who loves a red lipstick, because I don't think I can pull this color off. But it is a nice sample, or nice thing in the mystery box. So the other one is the High-Shine Lip Gloss. Now I love lip glosses. This is in the color Heartbreaker. So it is a pinky, like bubblegum pink almost. Now I like light lip glosses. This is the applicator, and it goes on, it looks like bubblegum, but it is real shiny. I think this will be a good color to wear over some other colors. So this I'm happy with. It's got like some sparkles. It's definitely high gloss. I know the high gloss is kind of coming back into style. So that's that. And then the final thing in here, and I haven't opened this because I have a lot of mascaras to try out, so I'm going to hold off opening this for a while, is the Volume Vixen 4-in-1 mascara. So we'll see how this one goes, but I have a couple other mascaras I want to get to before I open this one so that this doesn't go bad before I use it. So that's the mystery bundle. I'm just going to go quickly over that that 6-piece day to night one, because there were some interesting things in here. Now I knew what I was getting in this before I purchased it, and I just thought it was an interesting bundle. I think the bundle was on sale. They don't have the price here, but I think it was like 20 bucks, if that. So it came with their pressed mineral makeup 4-in-1, and this is supposed to be like a what they say is a foundation, a concealer, a sunscreen, everything all in one, which I thought was an interesting concept. I'm not a big foundation person. And when I do wear it, it's not a full concealer or a full coverage foundation, because I have freckles that I like to keep showing. But this is what it looks like. And they did allow me to pick light or a darker shade. So this is the light shade. And it did come with a chisel brush that they said that you should use to put this on. So I'm just going to show you guys. It goes on there. I'm just going to stipple some of this on my hand here. So it's not too bad. It's probably not my best shade in the world, but it's not bad. So I was going to play around with this and see what I thought. I've had mixed luck with powdered foundations just because I have drier skin. So we'll see. I'll give it a good fair shot, and I'll have to get back with you guys and see what you think. But I am excited about getting the stippling brush for foundation and other applications. So the next thing that they sent were 2 eyeshadows, and I'm just going to open them up here so you can see them. Now I saw this eyeshadow on here, and you guys know I love purples, and this had a nice plum and then kind of a gray in between transition. So I saw this and I was like, ooh, purple, I love purple. So I was a little disappointed though. This is not, it looks so great on the finger, but well, actually it's transferring better now. When I played with it last night, it wasn't transferring very well. I stand corrected. So on the finger, the lighter pink doesn't seem to transfer as well. So we'll see. When I first watched it last night, it wasn't transferring very well, and I was kind of disappointed with it. And I was like, oh, the purple shadow is not, like, the one thing I was super excited about is it's not transferring. But actually that's not bad. These retail, I believe they were $15, $20. They're on sale for $10 a piece right now on the website for the Memorial Day sale. So this one is called Wild Child. The colors in it are, let's see, oh, here. They are Thrill Seeker, Chaos, and Mayhem. And then the other one that came in is another trio of colors. So it's a blue and a brown and another brown. So I thought that was fun. So colors I could definitely use. And this one is called Free Spirit. And the colors on this are Escape, Dreamcatcher, and Utopia. And these are definitely harder shadows. Like they're not as creamy and buttery as some other shadows. I tend to like my shadows a little creamier and buttery. See, this one is not, the blue is just not transferring very well. So a little disappointed in that. Let's see what the brown does. That's the brown. And the brown's not bad. Sorry guys, I'm running out of arm space here. So there's the brown. So that was that. And then the final two things in this package are this, which is a weird product, and I didn't realize really what to extent it was until I got it. It's called the Browder. It's a perfecting brow powder, and it came in the shade Blonde because, of course, if you're a redhead, they think you need a blonde shade. Probably because I said light. But this is what it is, and it had really good reviews, but it's weird. I will tell you, this is weird. I'm like, so look at this. It's like a powder on a little wand here, and you're supposed to kind of put it in here, but people say it has fallout. I don't know. It's supposed to go from that to kind of like a creamy. I must swatch it on my hand here just so you guys can see. It's weird. I mean, I think it's a cool concept, so that's what that is. But yeah, it's supposed to fill in your eyebrows. I will have to get back to you guys on this. It's like a 20-some odd product normally. It's on sale again this weekend because everything's on sale for $15. So we'll see. I like the more natural look of my eyebrow. So we'll see what this is like. And then the final thing, which I think is a pretty awesome thing, I was really happy with this, is this is the PUR Artist Blush and Contour Palette. So it looks like this. It's got kind of this very like not Art Deco, New Agey, IKEA feel. That's what it is. IKEA feel cover. So it's not like the most expensive feeling. It kind of has a little cheap feeling, but it does have a mirror. It does fold out nicely, and it has these nice colors. So you can, it says on here, you can use this as a contour or as a blush or as an eyeshadow. And then they have the colors on the back here. So these are 6 colors, and the colors are super buttery and soft, as you can see. Sorry, I've got so much makeup on my hands, I can't really swatch this very well. But here, you can see. I'm gonna put some on my hand, on my arm here. This is the blush here. Sorry guys, this is, but I'll just show you close. It really is nice. Like they're soft, they're buttery, they don't kick up a lot. These would be great eyeshadows, but they are nice. So this alone, I think this was like a $40 product on their website. I'm super excited about this. This I was pleasantly surprised on. I wasn't sure what I was going to think about this. So they put the little colors on the back here. So that's that. They threw in a little bit of their correcting primer as a sample, which this is a decent sized sample. And it goes on pretty smoothly. And this one is the Illuminate and Glow. So it leaves like this nice little like glowy thing. And then I bought a little sponge because I need a new one. So anyway, that is the thing. So I got the day to night 6-piece bundle, which I thought was a really good deal, even if not all the products were awesome. And then I got the mystery bundle, which I was quite happy with. I was just ready to write off the mystery bundle as an experiment and figure that it could be complete crap, but I was pretty happy for $20. I thought that was a pretty good mystery bundle for 20 bucks. Like, it was like getting one of my subscription boxes and being very pleasantly surprised by it. So anyway, tell me what you guys think. As always, I'd like to hear, did you think the mystery bundle was worth it? What you thought about the day to night piece? And do you think I can pull off that red lipstick? As always, subscribe if you haven't. Hit the little bell, because I post videos at really random times because I work shift work. And then always follow me on my social media. So my Facebook page or my Instagram account, or on, you can click and kind of read up on my blog, which I posted all the links down below. I'm going to put links up and prices on all these things so that you can get an idea. I do know that PUR is running this weekend, and I'm going to post this video Memorial Day weekend. They are running a 50% off sale. Now, I have no connection to PUR, but I do like their products. So I went on there last night and bought a bunch of skincare products, 50% off, and it is pretty much everything. I think there's like one thing that they don't allow you, the mystery bundle, and there's like one product, it's like a foundation, I think, that they don't allow you to use it on. Everything else is discounted, and then you can take an additional 50% off. So if you're like a freebie hunter or like a good deal, go. It's a good deal. So thank you as always for watching.